Turkish. Zodiac sign Capricorn. Profession actor, model, producer. Religion Islam. Marital status married. Height 6 feet. Weight 76 kg. Body type slim. Hair color black. Carrying Yasmeen height. Father Burak Özçivit. Mother Osman Bey. Sister evcen. Wife fahriye. Marriage 29 June 2017. Son Kurulus Osman. Favorite food Turkish food. Favorite fruit mango. Favorite sports basketball. Favorite country Paris and Dubai. Favorite color white and black. Favorite actor Burak Özçivit. Favorite actress Hobbies watching films, traveling, reading, playing basketball. Facebook 1.1 million followers. Instagram 24.4 million followers. Twitter 1.3 million followers. Kurulus Osman 2019 and present. Awards: GQ Man of the Year Awards 2012, the Literary University Best of 2023 Awards, and University Best of 2014 Awards. University Best TV Actor Award 2016, the Most Successful Celebrity of the Year 2017, Best Male Actor of the Year Golden 60 Award 2017, Best TV Series Couple of the Year Osman Bey